Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a medium question that I just solved on my own. So funny enough, when I did this with Python, it kept getting time limit exceeded, but I was able to do it using Java in n squared and pass. So let's go over it again. Except this time let's do it in Java. So you're given a list of hours and basically you're trying to count the longest interval that has a bigger frequency of 9s than 6s, or bigger frequency of numbers that are greater than 8 than less than 8. So let's go ahead and do that. And we just want to return the longest subarray where the number of numbers greater than 8 is bigger than the number less than 8. So let's declare integer result. And let's go from left to right in the array. Hours.length I++, and then so we want to declare the number of tiring days as an integer, and then non-tiring also as another integer, and then let's go from I to the end, j less than hours.length j++. So let's just do a double loop to get all the subarrays, and if the current element is bigger than 8, then we increment tiring ++. Otherwise, if it's not, then we increment non ++. And then this is every subarray, right? So then if, let's say, tiring is greater than non, and then we can keep track of the current length of the current subarray, which is going to be j, which is the end, minus I, which is the beginning, plus 1. So if j minus I plus 1 is bigger than or equal to whatever we had as a historical result, then we update result to j minus I plus 1, so 01. And then at the end, when we finish this double loop to get all the subarrays and evaluate whether they're tiring or not, we can just return the result at the end. So there you go. Passes all test cases. Again, not the most efficient, but I did come up with this on my own. And it didn't pass with Python, but it did with Java, so I just wanted to show you. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.